Hello friends, I'm Shahida and welcome to our different and amazing show, Vastu, Harmony and You. This is the very first program in English on Vastu, and friends, Vastu and Feng Shui is not only a name, it's a science as well. Friends, in our last program, we discussed about Feng Shui and its different aspect, and today we are going to take your mail about Feng Shui, and for this we have here in our studio world-renowned Vastu and Feng Shui expert, Dr. Rupa Batra. Welcome to our show, ma'am.
Hello.
If you have any problem regarding Vastu and Feng Shui, you can contact Dr. Rupa Batra on these numbers 9560-423-423, 9560-546-546. You can also mail your queries on batrarupa@yahoo.com, batrarupa@gmail.com. You can visit our website, which is www.globalvastu.com. You can also join the page on Facebook, which is the www.facebook.com/globalvastu. Let's move to our first mail, and it's from Mumbai. She is Dipanita and she has written, I have seen your program regularly. It is very much informative and I like the program very much. I'm very much interested in Feng Shui and read your articles regularly in newspaper too. Me and my husband both are fan of yours and have also developed interest towards Vastu and Feng Shui. Please advise some tips for progress and healthy relationship. Thanks and regards.
Thank you, Mrs. and Mr. Dipanita, for being my fan. Thanks a lot.
Your fan mail is increasing day by day.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much to all my viewers. For getting new opportunities for progress, hang a picture of running water in the northeast and east wall. Alternately, you can place a fish aquarium or picture of a tortoise in the same direction, the north, northeast and east. This tip is for progress and for inflow of money. And for healthy relationship, for deep love and romance and successful married life, place a painting of lovebirds, or can also keep lovebirds statue. Also can keep a pair of Mandarin dove in southwest. Same, the lovebirds and Mandarin doves. You as well. You can keep in southwest. And you can place double happiness symbol also for the long lasting relationship between the couples. For long and healthy life, hang a picture of deer or crane on the east wall. Place it on the east wall. Hang Chinese coins on the door handle inside of your home, or even you can hang the same in your office also for increase in wealth. But you need to take care. Do not place the coins outside of the main door outside of the main door handle. Hang it inside. And for increase in sales, place the same Chinese coins in your sale file, and you can keep in the invoice book for increase in sales. As I told you before also, you need to take care about throw away all discarded and junk items, all the broken things and useless things like old boxes, rusted items. As you throw all these things, your prosperity starts increasing. So Dipanita, as you have asked me about the healthy relationship
and the progress
and prosperity, so I have given you the tips and as you follow all these tips, you will find a big difference between as you are now.
Okay, I think Dipanita, you have got your answer regarding your question, and that will help in your progress and wealthy relationship. Dr. Rupa Batra, Vastu and Feng Shui expert. Our address, Global Vastu, E16/376, Sector 8, Rohini, Delhi 85. You can also contact us on these numbers 9560-423-423, 9560-546-546. You can also mail us batrarupa@yahoo.com, batrarupa@gmail.com. You can also join the Facebook www.facebook.com/globalvastu. Clubs, associations, schools, colleges, corporates can contact for pre-Vastu awareness workshop. You can contact on these number 9560-423-423, 9560-546-546. You can visit our website also, which is www.globalvastu.com. You can also mail us on these IDs batrarupa@yahoo.com, batrarupa@gmail.com. Conditions apply.